Smoke alarm laws are changing in Queensland. To make sure you're compliant, always follow the manufacturer's instructions when installing, testing and cleaning your smoke alarms. Press the test button on your smoke alarm or wall unit to test your alarms. Clean your smoke alarms by following the manufacturer's instructions, which usually recommend vacuuming. No specific licence is required to test and clean smoke alarms. And it is the occupier's responsibility to ensure regular care and maintenance is carried out on each alarm, regardless of whether you rent or own a property. Landlords are required to test and clean smoke alarms within 30 days of tenancy. And during tenancy, it's the renter's responsibility to test and clean at least once every 12 months. Test and clean your smoke alarms regularly to ensure you remain compliant past the 1st of January 2027.